burping techniques every new parent needs to know. First, the over-the-shoulder burp. Hold your baby upright against your shoulder, support their neck and head, and gently pat or rub their back. This classic method uses gravity to help trapped air escape. Second, the sitting burp. Sit your baby on your lap, support their chest and chin with one hand, and gently rub their back with the other. This technique works especially well for babies who don't like being held upright. Third, the face-down lap burp. Lay your baby face down across your lap, keeping their head slightly elevated. Gently pat or rub their back. This position can be very effective for stubborn gas. Remember, every baby is different. Try each technique calmly, and stop if your baby seems uncomfortable.